Hello guys, today in this video we are talk about the business insurance. What is business insurance? Insurance for small business. Search for info results now. Find insurance for a small business. Search faster, better, smarter at Zap Meta now. The complete overview, 100 plus million visitor, wiki news and more, trusted by millions, web images, videos, information 24 by 7 types, PDF, docs, PPT and XLS and text. Related info, multi search, search find now, find more. Business insurance, Investopedia. What is business insurance? Business insurance coverage protect business from losses due to events that many occur during the normals. What kind of insurance do I need for my business? Most business need liability insurance. The most common type of liability insurance need for small business are general professional policies. What insurance do you need for a small business? How much is a small business insurance per month? Worker compensation 86 dollars per month, and business owner policy $84 per month. General liability $53 per month. Professional liability $46 per month. How much does business insurance cost? Do I need business insurance for my LLC? In general form, an LLC protect your personal assets from being attached to of business. If you don't have general liability insurance and someone sleeps and falls in your shop or office, the business may be liable for the cost associated with the injuries and stents. What is the best insurance for a small business? The seven best small business insurance companies of 2021. Best overall, State Farm. Best for independent contractors. Best general liability insurance nationwide. Best worker compensations, the Hartford. Best commercial poetry insurance, Travelers. Best business owner policy, Liability Mutual. Best commercial auto, Progressive Commercial. The seven best small business insurance companies of 2021. Can you run a business without insurance? So can you run small business without insurance? Sure, a business can certainly run without insurance, but that does not mean it should. Small business insurance is designed to protect all the hard work of you put into your company and help you keep it up and running even after a loss. Can you run a small business without insurance? What does a business insurance cover? Business insurance can help pay the cost of properly damaged lawsuits, lost business income, and other coverage losses. The help protect against specific risks unique to their situation. Business often buy multiple coverage and combine several in the policy. What does business insurance cover? Who has the cheapest business insurance? 6 cheapest general liability insurance companies for small. Cyber policy, best overall for cheap general liability insurance. Premium very hard but start at $240 per year. Best for micro business. Premium vary but start at $350 per year. State Farm, best for SPAS, and premiums vary but start at $500 per year. How much is business insurance for an LLC? How much does general liability insurance cost? Insurance cost, the average cost of an LLC liability insurance policy general range for about $300 to $1,000 per year. However, different types of business will have different need and incur different risks. What is the general liability insurance? How do I get 4 steps to buy business insurance? Assess your risk. Think about what kind of accidents, natural disasters or lawyers could damage your business. Find a reputable license against commercial insurance agents can help you find policies that match your business needs. Shop around. Is own an LLC considered self-employed? LLC members are considered self-employed business owner rather than employees of the LLC, so they are not subject to tax without withholding. Each LLC member is responsible for setting aside enough money to pay taxes on the that member's share of the profit. How much does a $1 billion business insurance policy cost? For a basic $1 million general liability insurance policy, a business may pay anywhere between $300 and $1,000 a year, depending on the above factor. Of course, the size of your business is matter. How much is a $1 million general liability insurance policy? What if my LLC made no money, but even though an LLC has no income or expenses for years, it might still be required to file a federal income tax return. LLC tax filing requiring depending on the way the LLC is taxed. An LLC may be as an entity for the tax purpose, or it may be taxed as a partnership or corporation. But companies offer small business insurance. Insurance company State Farm, the Hartford, Hiscox, CHUBB, worldwide footprint. How much is a general liability insurance for small? General liability insurance typically it costs $30 a month or less. Based a survey we perform a $50,000 small business owner. We also learn 95% of the survey small business owner pay less than $50 per month for general liability insurance, and just $1 of the small business pay more than $100 per month. Does AAA offer a small business insurance? Small business insurance is a big customer. Uh, whether your small business is under $5 million in gross annual revenue, is less than $300K in annual payroll, or has a flat of less than 9 vehicles, you can trust AAA to provide with insurance solutions that meet your business unique needs. Small business insurance. What happen if no business insurance? What can happen when your company is not properly insured? Consider the following: uh, fines and jails time, lacking certain types of coverage including workers and compensation, and even professional liability coverage violates state law, and in many instances is considered an. What can happen when your company does have not business? What happen if a business does not have liability insurance? California law, if you do not have a liability insurance, you can be fined, your license may be suspended, and your vehicle could be impounded.